Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, you guys know the drill. If you guys could please smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys could leave a comment down below, even better. Super helps the channel out. It's Friday morning. We're back in the shop. I hope you guys are all excited for the weekend. We've got a few things going on today. We're trying to get a couple things out the door. A few things out the door, actually. We got a couple of vehicles that have been done. They're getting picked up today. And we also have the Ford Fiesta. We're gonna, I got the door handle back in, and we're gonna go ahead and machine buff and polish the rest of the paint. And the customer did want me to keep it for maybe a few days longer and actually drive it, and cause she was experiencing some misfire problems and stuff. So I might go ahead and keep it for a few days, and of course give it a test drive and see if there's anything we can do for her as far as those misfires. Now I haven't noticed anything. There's no check engine light on or anything like that, so it seems to run pretty good. But we'll go ahead and give that a test drive. We're gonna get to that later. We've just been kind of picking away at this between things because it never technically hit the channel or hit the schedule, sorry. But anyways, we also have a 2016 Chevy Sonic in the shop bay next door. I can't show you guys that because it's currently closed. But anyways, Michael's over there. He is finishing up a turbocharger install because the other turbo was bad, so we went ahead and got a Garrett replacement for it. So he's finishing that up this morning, and that will get picked up. We also have the 2012 Ram tailgate. Now you can already see I already started getting some of the hardware out. Got this rear cover, inside cover out of the way, and I got the Ram emblem off and the SLT emblem off. The customer requested that we don't stick the SLT on, but we do have to stick the Ram emblem on because there is an indentation on the tailgate itself. Now we got a brand new tailgate cap in plastic with hardware right here, so you can see that nice textured finish. So we have a brand new one of those. We just have to get the handle, the two latches, and the, of course, support cables out of the old tailgate, and we'll go ahead and throw this in the scrap pile. So nothing too crazy today. Let's dip inside the spray booth, guys. Okay. All right. So you can see the positioning of the tailgate in here. I have it right below the intake box because the airflow is pulling down in there and sweeping across up and out the exhaust. So I'm trying to find the sweet spot, guys, in the spray booth, and I think this is it. I think right here is the perfect positioning, especially for a one-panel job. You can see I'm perfectly parallel and in line with the intake box there. Anyways, it came out 99.9% perfect. And by that I mean it's perfect, but there's a couple dust particles. But of course my spray booth wasn't exactly as clean as it could be, and we could also wet the floor if we wanted. But I do believe that this is the sweet spot, and the tailgate came out absolutely amazing. If you guys go back a couple vlogs, you guys can see how beat up the tailgate was. So we had to, of course, pull some dents, do some hammer and dolly work, do some body work, and then of course, bury it in high build primer, and then we went ahead and carved it out with our sanding blocks yesterday. We hung it, and we painted it. So this is damn near a no buff job, but I might go ahead and just take a little 3000 grit and just go over the paint surface, just because it has a little bit of a dieback from the shrinking of the paint. So I might just hit it with a little 3000, give it a good little machine buff and polish, throw the emblem on, the handle, latches all in, the tailgate cap, and the inner panel. Now he's gonna have to go to a Line-X dealer to get his Line-X reapplied. Like I said in the last vlog, we can do Raptor liner. It's a cold spray, but we don't have the machine to do a hot spray like you'd see at Line-X. So anyways, he wants to use his truck bed for heavy duty stuff, and honestly, Raptor liner just won't hold up. It's great stuff. It's great for floorboards. It's a great look. It's even good for the bed caps on top, for the bed rails. But as far as actual everyday use, I honestly don't prefer Raptor liner over Line-X. I think Line-X is stronger. So anyways, Came out beautiful, guys. I know it's kind of hard to see that in the camera. I'm actually pretty happy with how the metallics laid out. I've been kind of struggling with laying out silvers and grays with my spray gun. If I'm not careful, they'll end up a little bit blotchy, so I actually was paying attention, did some adjustments on my spray guns, and I was able to get the metallics to lay out damn near flawlessly. Really happy with them. So we're gonna get all our guts out of this tailgate, throw it away, install our emblem and all the pieces and parts on the new tailgate. Customer's gonna come by later today. We're just gonna throw it on real quick. We'll send him off, he'll be happy. And then we'll be hopping on over to the Ford Fiesta and getting this buffed out. If we can get a good 2 to 3 hours in on this, this will be already good to go. And besides test driving and diagnosing their misfire problem, the Fiesta is done. Now, of course, we need to clear the SRS light. So hopefully all that goes good and everything as far as the SRS computer likes the replacement parts that we've put in, and it'll stay off. I'm sure it will. So I'm not too worried about it. We also have to install the light bulb still. Nothing crazy, just a few things. So the main focuses today are to get rid of the tailgate, deliver 2 vehicles that we have outside, the Saab and the Silverado, and also get this done so it is potentially ready for delivery sometime next week after we do some test driving and diagnosing as the customer requested. Now, if we get that done, we'll be right on schedule for Monday. And Monday we are going to get both these bumper covers prepped. One's going to be black, one's going to be white. This is going to be a Toyota Camry, and this is a Kia Forte. So we're going to go get both these bumpers prepped. We're going to get the white bumper cover upwind, and we're going to get the black bumper cover downwind by the exhaust, and we're going to actually coat the white bumper first, and then we're going to coat our black bumper cover by the exhaust, and then we'll go ahead and mix up some clear, and we'll clear both the bumpers at the same time. So Monday we'll have both these bumper covers prepped and painted, and that way we can try to get our customers in by the end of next week and get those jobs in and on their way. So get excited, guys. I also have a 2018 Ford Mustang coming in next week. We're going to be doing a full 3-stage buff, ceramic wax. Actually, might skip the ceramic wax because I think we might be applying a customer supplied ceramic coating. I told them that I don't normally do that because I like the R1 ceramic coatings that we've been using, but as long as it looks like it's something, it's pretty quality, and I might do a little test panel. As long as it works out pretty good, I have no problem with applying his ceramic coating. So we might have to stay a little late next week to get that job done because it's a big job and he wants it nice. But that's what we've got going next week. If I have any time next week, I want to start picking away at this Honda Goldwing. We are doing a full detail on this bike. If I even can just start getting some of the panels buffed out with the mini polisher. As you can see here, we got a brushless mini snap-on polisher. Works out really good compared to the full-size DeWalt 7-inch polisher. So we'll go ahead and get this blown off, get it wiped down, and then we'll start polishing away on the paint and even polishing away on the chrome. And when it's all said and done, we'll do a nice final ceramic wax on the whole bike, as well as treat the leather seats with a Chemical Guys leather conditioner, and treat the vinyl, clean the plexiglass, of course. You know, the mirrors, we'll go ahead and wipe the whole bike down again, and we'll go ahead and send him on his way. So it's Friday. Get excited, guys. Del Sol coupe are tucked away inside. I might drive the Del Sol home tonight. We'll see. But I appreciate all you guys watching. We also had on the Chevy Sonic, I can't show you guys, but here is the oil return line. It had a crack in it and busted, and it didn't take much to do that. It's pretty brittle, gets pretty hot over time. So we got a new one from GM pretty quickly. So that's going in today, and we'll go ahead and hopefully get rid of that Chevy Sonic as well. So anyways, like the video, leave a comment down below, guys. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron, though, or like Lonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, You can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do.